Screw this crap. Alright, Hank. He's not in the bathroom with me anymore. You might want to keep an eye out for him. You know, just be careful. I'm gonna try to get out of here as soon as I can.
Well, I already tell him 3 to 4 hours. What was up with that?
Wait a second. How did you hear me? How did you hear me, Hank?
Your walkie-talkie button was on.
Oh, I told him 3 or 4 hours, you know, cause, you know, while you're leaving in your van full of stuff, I might, you know, take some stuff to myself on the way out. You know, I'm really gonna take this guy here. He's a complete idiot. He doesn't know what's going on. He thinks he has a dog that he doesn't have. I think he's like on ecstasy or something.
Sounds like a normal case to me, man. Been there, done that, but you don't want to kill him, are you? This time?
Would it matter if I did?
Not really, you know, just, you know, 1 of 6 billion, so whatever.
Yeah, he's a pretty stupid idiot. I think it won't matter if I kill him.
Wait a minute. He's looking up. He's looking up a lot. I hope he don't see me.
Okay, just leave. I'll take care of everything. I got this under control.
Alright, I'm going. I don't think he saw me because he just come out, so I'll catch you then.
Dude, you're obvious out there. You're parked in the middle of the driveway. You got your high beams on. Get out! What the heck's wrong with you?
I thought it was the next door neighbors, man.
No, you're in this driveway, you idiot!
Well, goddamn, why did you tell me, man? Fuck. Forget it, man.
Okay, I'm turning this off because I don't want him to get suspicious and hear me talking.
I see that that way.
Hey, Al. Hey, man.
Hey, what's up, dude?
Oh, nice. Coming along good?
Yeah.
I got you some water in case you get thirsty while you're here, and it takes a while to do this kind of thing.
Oh, thank you. That
Yeah.
is very kind of you.
Yeah, so,
Very sweet.
I'm going to head back out. I gotta finish up some, you know, little papers and stuff on mine.
Alright, you gonna be going for a while? Got a lot of busy stuff to
Probably
do?
be an hour. I'll probably be out for a while, so.
Okay, that's wonderful.
Yeah, so I'll catch you soon, man.
Alright, see you, man.
Yeah.
Huh? Okay, hey, you left one of the windows open, right? Do you know which room it goes to? I don't want to look like an idiot checking every window on the side of the house. That's just great. That's just great. Thanks a lot. Hey, I don't need to deal with this. Just get out of here, okay, man? I'll catch up with you. I'll do my thing. All right. Let's do this. Stupid bucket. Yeah, thanks for the water, retard. What the heck's wrong with this thing?
Where the hell did he go? Huh. What is it?
Hey, man.
I don't want to ask, but why? What are you out here for?
Well, I heard some noises,
Yeah.
and I just had to check them out.
So, you heard a noise,
Yeah.
and you climbed out the window to check it out outside. That way you could climb back in this window.
I wasn't gonna climb in this window.
Well, we were picking around at the screen and everything.
No, I was not.
I saw you. I was peeking out the whole time.
You little sneak.
Me?
You're a sneak.
Oh, yeah, so I'm not the one who climbed out a window and came to another window to try to get in.
I was not gonna come in this window.
Oh, maybe the one next to it then, right?
What are you talking about?
Come on,
I
man.
never even came out a window in the first place.
You went out that bathroom window.
Let's just talk about in the house.
What?
Instead of talking, I'm freezing out.
Okay, well, come in through the door, not the window.
Oh, no, I can't believe you.
Yeah, I can't believe you.
this.
All right. Hey, come on in. You want to come through the window again?
Oh, yeah, that's real fun.
My God.
This is ridiculous. Can you believe what happened? I didn't crawl through no window.
Can I?
I saw something out there.
Who'd you see?
I don't know. That's why I checked it out.
Okay, let me get the story straight one more time. You were in the bathroom plunging,
Yes.
and you heard a noise and
Yeah.
climbed out the window to check it. So you went to another window to try to open it, and then you think it's ridiculous because you're outside looking for somebody who's not there.
That's not true. He was there.
Who
I
was
chased
he?
him off.
Oh,
I can't believe. You owe me
oh, you for what?
for helping get rid of the snooper.
The snooper.
The
There's no
snooper.
snooper out there.
It was a snooper.
You
don't know anything about it because you were in here.
but come on.
Did you fart? That's so raunchy. Yeah, thanks a lot. Let's get out.
Is that bad or what?
Yeah, it stinks. Just like your mess. Yeah, so I saw him through the window.
You sure it wasn't our neighbor across the street?
No, it was a man right here. And I was like, hey, you, what are you doing? And he said, oh no. And then he started to run. So I ran out through the window and I chased him. And then you come, oh, what are you doing? Are you snooping? Like an idiot. And now I don't know where he went. But that's okay, that's not even my job. I'm not your bodyguard.
Alright, well, he's gone. If he was really there in
Yeah,
the
he
first...
was really there.
Alright, well, he's
While
gone.
you were sleeping.
Well, I wasn't
You're
sleeping.
real lucky.
I wasn't sleeping.
What were you doing?
Well, I was actually on the couch reading a book.
Oh, really? What
Yeah.
book?
It's called Sphere by Stephen King.
Yeah, well, you know what?
No.
I happened to have read Sphere, and it wasn't written by Stephen King. So get out. Alright, just stay out of here.
Man, you really gotta lighten up.
You're right. I just get a little upset sometimes. I just need to work in privacy, thank you.
Yeah, I know how it is, getting upset over climbing out of people's windows and not finding a new one to come in.
You need to really let off, buddy. I did you a favor.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Is that Snooper one of your, maybe friends?
What are you talking about?
I think you're up to something, buddy.
No, I'm not. Just trying to fix everything here, and all you're doing is really pushing it and accusing me of things.
Hey,
What?
I ain't accusing. I'm stating the facts.
How do you even know I was outside?
What are you doing? What the hell are you doing?
What are you talking about? Hey, buddy, we just need to be calm, okay? We just need to be calm. Okay?
What the hell are you doing, man? This is insanity. It's so funny. I can't even believe it.
Huh? What?
You have shampoo in your pocket and air freshener in your top pocket.
Yeah, I needed to use it.
Well, what's this?
What?
Give me it.
You wanna mess with me? You wanna mess with me? You wanna have fun? You wanna have fun, baby?